Hey guys, welcome along to another unboxing video. Today I'll be working with the 2T Technology Voyager Voice GSM intercom. As you can see, the packaging is colourful, it's sleek, it displays both versions of the intercom with and without a keypad. I hear this intercom has really good audio prompts, so I'm looking forward to hearing those. As you can see on the front of the box, there's a list of features. I'm going to go through those in just a few minutes. Okay, first let's get into the unboxing. Here we have an installation and user manual with QR code here on the front. Yes, so they provide an installation video which you can watch just by scanning this QR code. Extremely handy feature to have. Here's a check sheet which shows everything is included in the box, which a lot of people will find handy and appreciate considering how often things are left out of deliveries. Underneath we've got a power supply. And here's an antenna, and as you can see, everything fits perfectly in the box. You've also got screws, roll plugs, and an antenna clip. Basically everything you need for the installation. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap the intercom for you, very well wrapped in bubble wrap. This is gorgeous. It's really well made. As you can see, it's got a shiny front on it. It is covered in plastic, so I'm going to take that off for you. As you can see, the front is black, it's shiny, it'll look well basically anywhere.
Please wait.
As you can hear, the first demonstration of the Voyager Voice technology in the way it says please wait when you power it up. I've noticed these lights here on the side of the intercom. I'd love to show you those. Yeah, really cool, really bright, look great. So one of my favorite features provided by 2T Technology with this intercom is both installer and end user apps, which will make the entire process a whole lot easier for both parties. As you can see, I've got the app home screen here on my phone. I'll do a quick run through of some of the menu screens before I take you through some of the key features. So here's the keypad menu, which allows you to set a range of different types of keypad codes, including temporary codes and time and day limited codes. This is the phone menu, which allows you to set and access 200 call-in numbers and 5 call-out numbers, which the intercom will store. And finally, we press more. It takes you to this menu that allows you to set pulse times, out of hours settings, scheduled events, and the finer details such as volume and the voice tone of the intercom. First off, I'm going to set a keypad code, which is extremely easy. So select the keypad menu and then set keypad code. Then enter a 4-digit code, select your output. Then just send the message request that comes up. You'll hear the intercom beep. You'll receive a text back that says code set. And as you can see, if I enter the wrong code,
Access denied.
now when I enter the code I just set,
Access granted.
so next, this intercom has a 5-number call out list, so I'm going to set 2 numbers now and I'll demonstrate how that works. So first, select the phone menu and set call out numbers. Enter the first number you want called when the intercom button is pressed, and I'll enter a second number here, which is the number for this phone.
Calling. Please wait.
Now, as you can see, when I push the button on the intercom, it will call my first number, and when I don't answer that because it's a dud number, it will call my second, and it will allow me, one, to speak with the person at the other end of the gate, and then it will allow me to either grant them access or deny them access. And how you do that is select either 1 or 2 depending on the output that you want to trigger,
Access granted.
and the gate will tell the person at the other end that they can come in, which is nice because sometimes there can be a delay between granting access and gates opening. And to deny them access, all you have to do is press the hash button.
Access denied.
A 200 number whitelist is something I was delighted to see as a feature of this intercom. Fantastic for companies or projects with many workers or large gatherings. Program up to 200 numbers that can call into the intercom and gain access. So from the home screen, select phones and then set call in numbers. You can set 10 numbers at a time, and the number you enter in the first location box will be the first placement of the 10 numbers you're setting. So for example, when I add 10, it shows me 10 to 20, and when I enter 1, it brings me back to 1 to 10, and so on and so forth. Now I'll enter some numbers, including the number for this phone. I can also select an output for each and hit set. I then send the text command that comes up, and I will then receive a text to confirm numbers from 1 have been programmed. Next, I'll call the device from this phone. You'll hear the relay pulse to open the gate, and the intercom will hang up. So finally, I'll do a quick run through of the key features displayed on the front of the box. Spoken male or female voice tones. So this intercom allows us to choose between 2 different voices for its built-in audio prompts, which we looked at earlier in the video. So you get choice of a male or a female voice tone. Control 2 gates or doors with 2 relays. As you saw when using the app, each time you set a number or keypad code, you have an option to set it to one of 2 outputs, which allows you to control 2 gates or doors. iPhone and Android apps. This intercom is accompanied by both installer and end user apps for iPhone and Android, both very easy to use. 5 call out numbers. As seen earlier, you can set 5 numbers the intercom will call that will grant or deny access to the person outside the gate or door. Open access or 200 number whitelist. You have the option of programming up to 200 numbers that can call into the intercom and gain access. Waterproof IP55 and backlit button and keypad. The intercom is protected from water from every direction and is easily used in the dark with a very well lit button and keypad. Downloadable log. Details of all actions taken with the intercom can be seen, including phone number and the time of use. 10 scheduled time events assignable per gate, so you can set the gate to open or close at specific times throughout the day. Time and day limited keypad codes. You can set keypad codes that will only grant access at certain times of the day and or on certain days of the week. Out of hours settings. This will allow you to set times when normal events such as calls to the intercom can and cannot happen. SMS text to keep the pay-as-you-go SIM on the network. So a regular text will be sent in order to keep the SIM from being deactivated by the network when not in use. And a security code to restrict programming access. So a security code can be set so only certain users can change the program settings of the intercom. All around, I think this is an excellent product, extremely easy to use, looks great, and I think this voice technology is an excellent feature that will allow the product to be used with ease by gate installers and security professionals. The packaging looks excellent, and the addition of QR code for an installation video is a nice touch. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.